In this lecture, we'll explore how to work with data entry in Google Sheets, focusing on basic operations like entering data, working with rows and columns, and how to use formatting tools to make your data easier to read and understand. When entering data into Google Sheets, you start by simply clicking on a cell and typing the information you need. Each cell is a container for data, whether it's numbers, text, or dates. The rows are numbered and the columns are labeled with letters, so identifying a cell is easy. You can type into any cell, move between them using the arrow keys, or use Tab to go to the next cell horizontally. If you need to enter long lists, you can quickly drag the fill handle, the small blue square in the corner of a selected cell, to automatically copy the data or extend sequences.